Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to see watch history on TikTok. Open TikTok on your device and open your profile at the bottom side of the screen, and then you need to go to your menu. This is 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Open settings and privacy. Here scroll down to the section content and display, and you need to find activity center and find watch history. And this is basically your how you can see your watch history on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.